remember. Yeah, I vaguely recall it being on this side, but why would you do it? Why would you do it? Why would you go four-wheel driving? Don't put a dent in it. I recall it being the other way, to be honest. She's on. Strap's getting christened. Yeah, that's step one. This is step one, but step one will be a good start. You won't need to give her any stick out because it's not stuck or anything.
I don't think it is.
No. Oh, it's coming out the back door. She's rushing out the back door. Open her up, be brave. Oh. What a pain. Starts off fun, doesn't it? Starts off fun.
Whoa.
Well, everywhere. Mustard?
Yeah, mustard. Let me hold my truck, please.